Imagine you're swimming in the ocean and you sense movement in the water. You get nervous about what could be watching you. Should you swim to shore? Should you stay still? Should you scream as loud as you can, wave your arms, and hope it scares off the animal? What if that animal was a dolphin swimming around you versus, say, a killer whale? Your response would differ. Understanding how to respond based on our environment helps keep us alive, especially when we feel scared. Much like humans, marine animals must also learn what other animals are friends or foe. But how many marine animals interact is still a mystery. Why should we care how animals interact? Well, all marine animals are connected through a complex set of interactions, where even small changes can cause their ecosystem to no longer provide us with abundant food, clean air, or clean water. For example, off the coast of British Columbia, there are beautiful kelp forests home to thousands of fish, many of which we catch for food and sell for money, like salmon. We didn't know that by overhunting humpback whales for their blubber, we would also be killing out these important kelp forests. By understanding that killing humpbacks caused their predator, the killer whale, to switch from eating humpbacks to sea otters, that sea otters eat a small invertebrate called urchins, and urchins eat kelp, we were able to restore the kelp forest by reducing the number of humpback whales we hunted. Since the kelp forest returned, our fisheries returned, ensuring both our food and economic security. By understanding the interactions among animals, we're able to help conserve marine ecosystems and all the plants and animals within them. My study focuses on the interactions of humpback and killer whales on the other coast of Canada, in Newfoundland. By dropping an underwater microphone in the ocean, I'm able to record the calls these whales make when they're in close contact. Previously in Newfoundland, killer whales have been seen harassing humpbacks by biting at their fins, yet humpbacks have appeared to be calm in the presence of killer whales. So, do humpbacks see killer whales as a threat, making them a foe, or are they simply competing for the same food source, making them a friend? By describing the calls that humpbacks make in the presence of killer whales and comparing them to the calls made not in the presence of killer whales, we can determine whether killer whales are friends or foe. Once we understand the interactions among these whales, we can determine whether killer whales and humpback whales are eating the same food source. If humans are overfishing that food source, we can predict the consequences of our actions and adjust our fishing practices to conserve the Newfoundland marine ecosystem. As human activities such as pollution, overfishing, and climate change can have unknown impacts on marine animals, understanding the interactions will be key to preventing any future negative changes on marine ecosystems and maintaining the biodiversity of our planet. Thank you.